The iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro stand as the crown jewels of Apple and Google's smartphone offerings, respectively. Both devices showcase a commitment to premium craftsmanship, boasting sleek designs that exude elegance and durability. Underneath their stylish exteriors, these powerhouses are equipped with cutting-edge processors that deliver exceptional performance for demanding tasks, ensuring a seamless user experience. Beyond their impressive aesthetics and performance, both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro offer a suite of advanced features designed to enhance your daily life. From their state-of-the-art camera systems that capture stunning photos and videos, to their innovative software ecosystems that provide a personalized and intuitive experience, these devices cater to the needs of discerning users who demand the best. Design and display. The iPhone 16 Pro exudes sophistication with its sleek black titanium frame and a thin bezel that lends it a luxurious, modern aesthetic. The ceramic shield display, a hallmark of iPhone durability, is twice as resistant to drops and scratches compared to conventional smartphone glass, providing robust protection against the rigors of everyday use. In contrast, the Pixel 9 Pro maintains a refined design language, incorporating Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection for its display. While it may not match the iPhone's exceptional durability, the Pixel 9 Pro's compact form factor and comfortable grip contribute to a pleasant user experience. Both phones showcase exceptional displays. The iPhone 16 Pro's Super Retina XDR display delivers outstanding contrast and a vibrant color palette, ensuring an immersive visual experience. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro's Super Actua LTPO OLED display boasts a peak brightness of 3000 nits, guaranteeing excellent outdoor visibility even under challenging lighting conditions. Camera capabilities. Apple has significantly elevated the photography experience with the iPhone 16 Pro. The standout feature is its 48-megapixel main sensor, which captures stunning detail and low-light performance. The ability to record 4K video at 120 FPS in Dolby Vision ensures a cinematic quality to footage. To complement the main sensor, Apple has upgraded the telephoto lens and added a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, offering versatility in capturing various scenes. The introduction of a dedicated camera control button streamlines the process of capturing photos and videos, making it more intuitive for users. Pixel 9 Pro. Google's Pixel 9 Pro also boasts an impressive camera system. The primary 50-megapixel camera delivers exceptional image quality, while the 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens and 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 30x super res zoom provide a wide range of shooting options. The 42-megapixel selfie camera sets a new standard for front-facing photography, outperforming many competitors. Google's Gemini AI adds another layer of sophistication to the Pixel's photography capabilities. It enables advanced editing tools and creative features, such as AI-powered photo effects and scene recognition. Conclusion: both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro offer exceptional camera systems that cater to the needs of photography enthusiasts. The iPhone 16 Pro excels in its ability to capture stunning detail and record high-quality video. The Pixel 9 Pro, on the other hand, leverages Google's AI capabilities to provide advanced editing features and creative options. Ultimately, the choice between the two devices will depend on individual preferences and priorities. Performance and software. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by Apple's A18 Pro chipset, delivering blazing fast performance across all tasks. The upcoming Apple Intelligence update in iOS 18 will further enhance its AI-powered features. The Pixel 9 Pro, on the other hand, relies on Google's Tensor G4 chipset with 16 GB of RAM. While it performs well, it may struggle compared to the iPhone 16 Pro in terms of multitasking performance, and overheating issues can occur during extended camera use. Google's Gemini AI sets the Pixel 9 Pro apart, offering assistance with photo editing, real-time translations, and more. The Magic Editor allows users to modify and tweak their images in ways that were previously impossible. Battery life. Both phones offer excellent battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro benefits from improved thermal management and the efficiency of the A18 Pro chipset, resulting in noticeably longer battery life compared to its predecessor. The Pixel 9 Pro also delivers impressive battery performance, lasting over 13 hours on a full charge during normal use. However, while Google advertises faster charging speeds, it doesn't quite live up to expectations unless you opt for the Pro XL model. Conclusion: the iPhone 16 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro are both exceptional flagship smartphones, each with its own strengths. The iPhone excels with its blazing performance, refined video capabilities, and the Apple ecosystem. The Pixel 9 Pro, however, stands tall with its AI-driven photography, unique software experience, and smarter integration with Google services. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your personal preferences and priorities.